Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Make sure your Google TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi and that you're signed into the same Google account on both. Turn on Bluetooth and location on the phone because Discovery relies on those services. Once done, open the Google Home app. It scans for nearby Cast devices automatically. Tap the device name that matches your TV model to begin pairing. This initial scan is quick, and it establishes the secure handshake needed for casting and remote control features. After selecting the TV in Google Home, you'll see a pairing prompt on the television and a matching confirmation on your phone, accept both within the time frame. If a 4-digit code appears on screen, type it into the phone to verify the link. Next, configure permissions. Allow remote control, keyboard input, and notification access as needed so apps can cast and you can type easily. These choices determine functionality. Make sure to enable the remote features if you plan to navigate apps or enter passwords from. Finish by testing Cast. Open YouTube or Netflix and tap the Cast icon, then choose your Google TV to confirm playback and remote control operate correctly. If it doesn't connect, reboot both devices and verify Wi-Fi. Account login, Bluetooth, and location are still enabled, then retry pairing. As a troubleshooting tip, if Discovery repeatedly fails, toggle guest mode off and on, or temporarily connect the phone to the TV's hotspot. These steps uncover network isolation or permission conflicts and usually restore pairing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.